Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Louise Nunga. I am your business minister, and today I wanted to definitely say a happy new year. This is my first video of 2020, and I'm hoping and praying that I can keep up with giving you guys more content this year. So I'm going to do my best to make sure that I am uploading weekly. And definitely let me know in the comment section what topics you guys would love me to elaborate more on, or discuss a little bit further, so that way I kind of have an idea of the different, because I can talk about a whole lot of stuff. And I have two different businesses. I'm an author. I have a beauty business, a food business. I'm an author. I'm a mom. So it's like sometimes I get overwhelmed which topic to really talk about. So your comments definitely help me to pinpoint which topics to discuss. So based on the comments that I've been receiving for the past couple of months, a lot of you have definitely been interested in my my videos that has to do with hair braiding business. And so I don't think there's enough people talking about the hair braiding business on YouTube. So that is going to be something that I'm definitely going to make sure that I definitely share more content on that topic. So today I wanted to talk about something that I want to say is a bit of a pet peeve of mine, but I'm pretty sure it's a pet peeve of a lot of other people, your potential clients. So I want to just kind of give some tips and give a little bit of a recap so you have a better understanding of how to carry yourself as a hair braiding business owner. Like I've stated in my previous videos here on YouTube, hair braiders are very underrated. And I don't understand why. I mean, I do understand why, but at this point in stage, hair braiding business has definitely gone up, definitely thousands of notches. It has definitely leveled up. And so people need to understand the potential that being a hair braider, the potential in your finances, the potential as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. It is definitely something that you should take serious. And I don't understand for the life of me where braiders don't consider themselves entrepreneurs or business owner. You are a business owner. I do not like braiders calling themselves, oh, I'm just a hair braider, or you're not a hair braider, you're a business owner. So when you change that mindset where you don't see yourself just as a hair braider, you see yourself as an entrepreneur. I am a business owner, and you are in the beauty business. So when you're in the beauty business, it's not different if you're doing braids, or if you're doing sewings, or if you're doing makeup, or you're doing, I don't know, massage therapy. Does massage therapy count as beauty? I don't know. But it doesn't matter. All of it falls on the beauty business. And in the beauty business, you have to make sure that your presentation is key. You have to make sure that your professionalism is definitely on point. And most importantly, you have to make sure that your customer service skills definitely are up there. Especially now, there's a lot of competition out there, so you want to make sure that you are carrying yourself as a business owner. You're not carrying yourself as a hair braider where you're just doing somebody's hair. So you treat people any kind of way. You don't feel like customer service is important. You don't feel as though your presentation is that important. It's very important. And just having an Instagram page and just being a talented braider is not all it takes these days. People pay money for convenience. People pay money because they like you or they like your personality. People pay money when they know that you're going to treat them as if they're special. So that's something that here on Mobile Beauties, my hair company, for those of you who don't know, I have a mobile hair braiding platform where it is sort of a marketplace where braiders can be found for clients, and people come on there to book braiders to come to them. Our niche is that we are mobile, so we come to you. So if you're a braider out there, wherever you are, definitely go on mobilebeauties.com to sign up. And that's the topic of what I want to talk about today, because I cannot emphasize that enough. And people want the flexibility, they want the convenience. And Amazon is doing so great right now because Amazon is just a few clicks. They got the one click, they have just a few clicks, and you have your product shipped to you. So nowadays, people don't want to go through all the long websites are not doing what they used to do before. People don't care about going to your 5 pages on your website. They don't even want to go to websites anymore. I tell you from personal experience, even on our Mobile Beauties website, our clients are just there to click who they're looking for, click book. They don't want to go through searching too much. They don't want to be too deep about it. They are used to getting straight to the point, and that's why Amazon is killing it on the market right now. So what I wanted to emphasize on today is, besides you having your Instagram page, you have to make sure that you have a booking platform that people can use. A simple booking platform where people can definitely click a few times and they're able to book you, they're able to pay for their service, they're able to review you, they're able to, definitely make your life a lot easier. I don't understand for the life of me why there will be any more hair braiders out there who do not have a booking platform. There's so many options. But just because, just for the sake of today, I want to say, for example, mobilebeauties.com. Mobile Beauties is similar to what you would use, like the Schedulosity. I think, what's the other platform? There are a lot of other booking platforms, but I'm going to speak on Mobile Beauties today because that's something that I'm the most familiar with. So again, as a braider, yes, you have created your Instagram page. Yes, you are posting, great photos. Now the next thing is people DMing you for pricing, or people booking you and finding out your schedule through DMs or the comment section is not a good way to represent your business. That shows that you're still looking at yourself as just a hair braider, and this is something that you're probably not thinking of doing long term. But if you're looking at yourself as a business, you're carrying yourself as a business, there is no excuse for you not to have a platform, a website, a software, an app platform that people can book you directly. They can look at your calendar, they can see your price points, and having a price listing helps you even more than it does the client. Because guess why? You open a door for people to discuss your price point when you say DM me or text me for pricing. Then people feel like they are free to say, oh, that's too expensive. Can you do $80? Can you do $50? Because you're letting them know that we're open to bargain. But when you have your price point set, you have a price list, you have your booking platform, when somebody comes on your Instagram page, it should be right there at the top. There shouldn't be no stress about DMing you or calling you to book an appointment. You should already have yourself set up where it's a click and they go on there and they're able to book you, and they're able to see your price point. They're able to, if it's reviews, they're able to see your reviews. If it is videos, whatever it is. But make sure that after you have set up your Instagram page, make sure you have a platform such as Mobile Beauties where people can view you and they can book you. Because when people come, like for example, for Mobile Beauties, when people come to a website, we have our uniforms that our beauticians wear. If every beautician has a profile picture, you're in charge of your calendar. You have your calendar. You set up your calendar. There's no fees to sign up. As far as a beautician, when people come and they see the brand, they see that, okay, this is a brand, this is a company, they trust you more. And whatever you're charging, they're going to be very uncomfortable to feel as though they can discuss you or they can bargain with you for your prices. So it works out for your advantage and for your money for you to always make sure that you have a platform where people can book you. I can't stress that enough. Have a platform. If you're not mobile, like Mobile Beauties, that's okay. There are other tons of other options. You can do reviews right here on YouTube to look at different platforms and compare them to see which one works best for you, or which price point works for you. But I know that it's not that expensive. A lot of them are under $30 or under $40 a month. Some of them, like for us, we go based on appointments. So if you don't get booked, the company doesn't get paid. So we don't charge you a monthly fee. So make sure that you have a platform. As a new braider, or if you're already a seasoned braider, people should not have to call you for price points. Set up your pricing. Take your time out. Yes, there's a lot of work to really get the details out. Make sure you do your research on the different names that people are calling, different braid styles. Now it changes literally every day. I mean, I can't keep up. But it's your job to definitely make sure that people it's easy to read, it's easy to understand the different sizes, the different length. Be as detailed and specific as you can so that you can price them as accurate as possible. And of course, definitely state on there that prices varies based on, you know, the style, because that gives you an open door where if somebody wanted something a little bit more complicated and it's not listed, then you definitely know that you can still have room to discuss with them what it would take price wise or hair wise or, you know, any of that. So that's all I wanted to kind of hint on you guys today. Again, if you guys need any other things that you need me to talk about, let me know in the comment section. Share this video. And we are going to make sure that braiders get the pride that they need and braiders get the respect. They need to put some respect on the braiders, because without us, I'm just saying, we add a lot to this world, to this beauty game, you know? And so take pride in your braiding talent and your braiding skill. Don't see yourself again as a hair braider. See yourself as a business owner and carry yourself as such. Price yourself as such. You know, do your research as such. Watching this video, you're gaining more knowledge. Do more videos. You don't have to watch just me. Watch as many videos as you need to. Read as many business. You're a business owner now, so you should get knowledge on business as a whole. And for those of you who have not joined my Facebook private group, where I just did a live video on there on something completely different from this. So as a business owner, you want to gain as much knowledge. So join me in our business Facebook page. I'm going to leave the link below. It is called Just Start That Business on Facebook, and you can search on there. Follow me on Instagram at Louise Nunga. And that's it for today. I'm going to come back here next Tuesday and give you guys more knowledge. Any one of you that have any questions, please hit me up on the comments section. And thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you for all the comments that I've gotten for the past couple of months. Even when I wasn't posting, that really means a lot to me. And that made me really want to, you know, definitely get myself together to post more videos. And so, yeah. So I'm getting myself together, getting my team together. As I mentioned earlier, I have a food packaged food business. Then I have my hair, my beauty business, Mobile Beauties. Then I have, you know, if you haven't gotten a copy, get a copy of my book. It's called Just Started on Amazon. And I have some of my products on Amazon as well. So I'm a little bit all over the place. So bear with me as far as filming and keeping up with sharing the content. But like I always say, the Bible says, you know, lack of knowledge, people perish. So I'm doing my due diligence to make sure that I share the knowledge as much as I'm gaining. I'm also, you know, making sure that I sow that into and pour that into other people's lives. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next Tuesday. All right. Have a blessed day.